If you're flying into Beijing International Airport and looking for a transit hotel in between your flights, this could be the one. This is a review of our 8-hour layover staying at Hotel Yizhan at Beijing International Airport. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, we had an 8-hour layover at Beijing International Airport, so we decided to stay at a transit hotel that we pre-booked before flying out. Airport Yizhan Hotel is located at Terminal 3 in the arrivals section, so you will need to go through immigration to get to the hotel. As we have Australian passports, all we had to do was fill in the arrival card and go through immigration as you would do if you were staying in Beijing. If you're planning on doing this, make sure you have a visa or your country has visa-free transit in China, which Australian passports do. After you've gone through immigrations and customs, turn left when you walk out the arrival doors, and only a very short walk down, you'll arrive at the airport hotel. We paid $141 for a double room for 2 people. The check-in time is from 2 p.m. and you need to check out by 2 p.m. the next day. This worked out well because our flight arrived at 5 a.m. and we weren't flying out until 1 p.m. that day. The room is definitely on the cozy side, but it has everything you need for a transit hotel. There was bottled water, plugs next to the bed, and there were slippers as well to walk through to the bathroom area. This hotel has shared bathroom facilities. They do provide you with a thin towel, so definitely keep that in mind. But their showers do have extra toiletries in there as well. Next to the airport hotel, there was a few cafes and restaurants, as well as a McDonald's too. It was a super convenient stay for our 8-hour layover, and when it was time for us to board our next flight, we just headed upstairs to departures and went through immigration. We hope you enjoyed watching our stay at Hotel Airport Yizhan at Beijing International Airport. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.